Mesenchymal stem cells versus Muse cells. They may sound similar, but they are not exactly the same. If you have been researching regenerative medicine, you have probably come across mesenchymal stem cells, also known as MSCs. They are among the most commonly used cells in regenerative medicine today, but recently another name has been gaining attention: Muse cells. So what makes them different? Mesenchymal stem cells are known for one main reason: their ability to regulate the immune system and help reduce inflammation. They don't simply replace damaged cells. Instead, they release signals that help the body create a better environment for healing and repair. That's why they have been widely studied in conditions such as autoimmune disease, orthopedic injuries, neurological disorders, and even healthy aging applications. They are versatile, well studied, and have been used in thousands of treatment and clinical studies worldwide. Now let's talk about Muse cells. Muse cells, which stands for multilineage differentiating stress-enduring cells, are believed to be a small, specialized subpopulation naturally found within the mesenchymal stem cells population. What makes them particularly interesting is that they appear to have a strong natural ability to recognize damaged tissue, migrate toward injury signals, integrate into damaged tissue, and potentially differentiate into various types of cells needed, whether that's neural, liver, or skin cells. In simple terms, they may not only support healing, but they may also directly participate in tissue regeneration. So, MSCs act more like managers of the healing process, helping reduce inflammation, regulate the immune response, and coordinate repair. Muse cells act more like specialized builders, with a greater potential to become part of the tissue itself. Both are powerful, but they may play a different and complementary roles in the healing process. It's also important to remember that Muse cells are not completely separate from MSCs. In fact, they are considered to be a unique subpopulation within the border of MSC's family. Muse cells typically represent only a small fraction of MSC's population, and researchers are still working to determine when Muse-enriched therapies may offer advantage over conventional MSC's therapies. And as the research continues to evolve, the future of regenerative medicine may not be about choosing one over the other, but understanding how to use each cell type in the right way, for the right condition, at the right time. Because true healing is not one dimension.